The House prosecution asserted that the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte is not politically motivated, emphasizing its readiness to present evidence when the trial begins on July 6. Sheila Natividad tells us more in this report.
Kung makikita naman ng mga tao na malakas talaga ang ebidensya, then yan ho ang magiging ultimate proof na hindi ito politically motivated.
That was the assertion of House Prosecution Legal Spokesperson and Private Prosecutor Attorney Benjamin J. Tolosa Jr. after the motive behind the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte was once again called into question. This comes after Senator Rodante Marcoleta, who has an impending plunder case in connection with alleged undeclared campaign contributions during the last elections, claimed the complaint against him is meant to prevent his participation in the impeachment trial. House Impeachment Advisor Robert A. Barbers, however, denied any connection between the two matters.
Hindi naman siya konektado dito sa usapin ng nalalapit na paglilitis. I don't think it has value kapag nakasuhan ang isang membro ng Senado na labas doon sa usapin ng impeachment.
Tolosa added that the prosecution panel had expected such arguments, particularly efforts by the defense team to challenge the impeachment process through procedural and technical issues, which he said was clear from the start.
We're anticipating just what they've, similar to what they've done from the start, is they will try to raise procedural matters and technicalities to try to prevent us from presenting evidence. We're ready to counter any arguments that may be raised.
As one of the private prosecutors assisting the House prosecution panel, Tolosa also emphasized that beyond their growing number, close coordination among the prosecution team is crucial in presenting evidence more efficiently. This is due to the volume of evidence and the number of witnesses expected to be presented by both sides.
Ang mahalaga ho dito, suriin ho natin pare-pareho. Yung ebidensya na malalatag, hindi lang ho namin, to be fair, pati nung kabilang panig, para makita natin kung talaga bang may matibay na basehan itong mga charges na ito.
While the prosecution panel said it cannot yet discuss the merits of the impeachment case, it awaits the Senate Impeachment Court's action on several pending manifestations. According to the prosecution panel's legal spokesperson, the use of English and Filipino language during the trial has already been approved by the impeachment court. As such, the panel awaits the court's ruling on its other pending manifestations, particularly the possible presentation of the Green Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR box containing the Vice President's tax records and other financial documents that may be relevant to the impeachment trial. As for the required number of votes for a possible conviction, Tolosa said the decision rests with the senator judges. He added that the prosecution panel continues to uphold the constitutional requirement of a 2/3 vote or 16 senator judges for a conviction. The impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte will be live-streamed beginning July 6, allowing the public to directly see the evidence presented by both the prosecution and the defense. Sheila Natividad, for The Nation.